Song I wrote called Life of Crime. Well, I'll tell you where it is, this place where I live. It's 2 for 1, the yard is concrete. Head count at 5, lockdown midnight. Everything's such a nasty routine. So many different faces from all different places. Everybody's got a story to tell. Some miss family, some have nowhere to be. I know there's so much to wear. Life of crime, doing time, doing wrong. Friends I've made, friends that fade, friends that gone. Life of crime, doing time, doing wrong. Friends I've made, friends that fade, friends that gone. Well, I've seen a lot of pain from heartache and shame. My loved ones have gone for good. I try to force a smile every once in a while. If I could change it, you know I would. All the things that I've done, yes, I am one that knows it's so much to wear. So many different faces from all different places, and all of us a story to tell. Life of crime, doing time, doing wrong. Friends I've made, friends that fade, friends that gone. Yeah, life of crime, doing time, doing wrong. Friends I've made, friends that fade, friends that gone. Well, there's grown men that cry, violence sometimes, remind us of where we've been. Alone in our rooms, God praying to you, let us out, we'll never do it again. You see the wife and the kids want no part of this, and they seem to grow up so fast. I love to watch them grow, but it's killing me though, having to do it through this glass. Life of crime, doing time, doing wrong. Oh, friends I've made, friends that fade, yeah, they're gone. Life of crime, doing time, doing wrong. Friends I've made, friends that fade, friends that gone. Friends that fade, friends that wait. Now they're here, friends that gone, fade away. Well, I'll tell you where it is, this place where I live. It's 2 for 1 and the yard is concrete.